In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable two-factor authentication on Snapchat. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your Snapchat application and there hit at your profile picture at the top left corner. Next, tap on this gear settings icon and then hit on two-factor authentication. Now, there would be the ways that you receive your verification code. For me, it's just text verification. In your case, it may be text verification and authentication app, and you have to disable both of these ways. So I just hit and add that switcher to toggle it off and then hit at OK. And basically that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.